Which is your favorite cuisine?
I like Italian and I like Thai food.
What's your favorite dish?
Dish. तो वैसे मुझे राजमा चावल बहुत पसंद है गिवन एन ऑप्शन कि मतलब क्या खाना है कोई मुझसे पूछता है क्या खाना है तो आई लाइक राजमा चावल अदरवाइज आई रियली लव थाई फूड
What's your favorite dessert?
गाजर का हलवा
What's your comfort food?
मैगी या मैगी और मूसली विद कर्ड या
What's the weirdest thing you have ever eaten?
I've not eaten, but I was kind of tempted to eat. नहीं मैं actually बड़ी गंदी चीज़ है मतलब it was like a fried cockroach somebody was eating and said you should try it is amazing मैं kind of convinced हो भी गई थी लेकिन मैंने खाया नहीं weirdest thing I don't know I don't think I've eaten very such a weird thing yeah. Nails. Hello, this is Aditi Sharma and catch me on Food Talkies.